So over here you can see one of my emails that I'm using to bring in huge commissions with Clickbank affiliate marketing offers. Also high ticket offers. This email is converting on affiliate offers which are high ticket on Clickbank and also other affiliate networks. Why? The reason why is because it invokes desire in people, and as you know, copywriting is everything when you want to make it sure that it converts. Sales page and conversion, it's really important. So stay until end of this video so I can show you what exactly you can do to start making these kind of commissions and receive this email for free as a bonus after you purchase buyers clicks, which is basically traffic to your affiliate link. So let me share with you over here. We are right now on Clickbank. So you can go on clickbank.com and type in over here super affiliate system, and after that you see over here the average conversion of basically what you earn as an affiliate. It's almost $700. So that's $689.12 for you as an affiliate. So what you do is you basically just click on promote button, and over here you enter your information. So basically you put in your affiliate information, your Clickbank ID, you type it in over here, and then you scroll down with me together and you see you have generate hop links. So over there you put your affiliate ID, and over here generate hop links. So you click on generate hop links, and you see over here there is going to be affiliate link, and what you do is just simply just go here and copy it. So basically copy this URL from Clickbank, and then you send it to me. You see, you can connect with me. The links to my social media accounts are below this YouTube video. You can click on my Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or email where we can connect, and you're going to send me that affiliate link, and from there you can purchase from me from our agency buyers traffic. So you can see testimonials on this page from also other of our students having huge success with Clickbank and other networks. So what you can do is you can purchase for $500 over 350 buyers clicks. So basically you're going to get clicks sent to your affiliate link, and I will also, as a bonus, like I promised, send you extra email which is converting on high ticket offers. So over here you can see this is the email that we have written, and it's more longer than this, but I won't give it to you right now. So if you decide to purchase for $500 minimum of 350 buyers clicks from Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and US and UK, you will be able to receive traffic your way. And with only one sales, let's say that you have only one sale. So with only one sale, you can generate over $689, which is already profit with one sale. So if you have two sales, it's over 1,200 or 1,300 US dollars. So if you want to have help, let me know below this video. There are going to be links where we can connect one-on-one, and you can get access to the materials that I was saying in this video, and also you will be able to get your traffic sent to you without having any website. So please subscribe to this channel, and also let me know below this video. There are links where we can connect.